Hey, welcome back to the latest pro tip time.
Welcome to CK4RC.
Today we are talking about creating shock holders so you can fill them up with oil out of little daisy cups or little solo cups, Dixie cups, whatever you want to call them, little plastic cups if you don't have the rig that holds the shocks upright while you're filling them with oil. So you take a little plastic cup, solo cup, Dixie cup, whatever you want to call it. I've got a body reamer. This is what it's called. Get your mind out of the gutter. I know what you're thinking. Don't think that. Body reamer. You can use a pocket knife or you can use a pair of scissors. But just jam this thing down into the bottom of the cup. And then don't try to use the cup afterwards. That would not go well. Just kind of work it around in a nice little circular fashion. Yeah. And then once you get the proper diameter without mutilating the cup, that is also the trick. Then you can take your shock and cram it down in the cram hole once you have the right diameter. I'm not quite there yet. So a little bit more cramming. I'm losing stuff. It's fine. I didn't like that shock anyway. It was saying bad things about me, and I didn't appreciate it. So, voila, it's holding my shock. I can take the top off. I can put the oil in, and I don't have to worry about it tipping over. So I could probably get 3 shocks in here. Maybe I could squeeze a 4th one in here for just a little kind of bathroom mouth rinse kind of cup. If you're using a full-fledged solo cup for like you 10th scale guys or your SCX6 guys out there, whoo, you guys are nuts. You guys are nuts, and I like it. Anyway, use a bigger cup. If you got bigger springs, I'm using tiny cups because I got tiny springs. And there's your pro tip time.